Hi everyone, it's Dia. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. I was going to apologize for my absence again, but life, it just keeps happening. So I have a few videos planned, and right now I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of my Filofax Soft Domino. As summer was approaching, I got the itch to buy a new planner. I wanted something more colorful and fun, and maybe a little bit lighter, less pockets and a little bit less bulk. I have to say that I'm not a fan of the patent domino. I have owned one in the past, and it was the breast cancer hot pink one, and it was gorgeous. And it was fun to use. It was in the A5 size, which I don't find I use as much as the personal size. And one of the things that I didn't like about it was that color seemed to transfer on it. Somehow I got black ink on it. I'm not sure. I think it was just from leaning up against something in my purse. Also, it got a few scratches on it and a few indentions on it as well. I don't mind that on my Midoris and like the leather material because it just starts to make it look more aged and gives it more character. But on the patent leather, it just started to look sloppy and dirty. Because I don't care for the shiny patent leather, I was a little bit worried about buying this soft leather one. It is one of the less expensive Filofaxes, and you know, so you get what you pay for. I was worried about the quality and the durability, but I have been using this for over a month now, and I'll talk about that more and my setup in my next video. So as soon as I decided which planner I wanted to use for the summer, I hopped on over to my favorite planner website, The Right Touch. Norman always manages to have the colors that I want in the sizes that I want. He has very competitive prices and almost always offers a discount code, and his shipping is super fast, and that is so important to me because if I could, I would just drive down to his place and pick it up the same day if I could. So enough rambling, let's go ahead and turn the camera around and show you the unboxing of my Soft Domino in the personal size. Here's the planner I'm currently using. It's the Malden in personal size, and I just wanted to get something a little more fun and bright for summertime. So, and something that didn't have a clasp, because lately when I'm sticking this in my purse, because I am taking it everywhere with me, I'm using it as my planner and my wallet. The clasp keeps coming undone every time I shove it in my purse. So I wanted to try out the Filofax Domino because instead of a clasp, it has a string that keeps it shut, kind of like a traveler's notebook. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. So I'm probably not going to do a video today on setting up this planner because I'm getting over a cold and I can't help but cough every 10 seconds. But I couldn't wait to open it up, and this is my first time seeing one of the soft pastel dominoes, and I just wanted to capture my first impression on it. At first I was going to go with the fawn color, but I wanted to do something more fun because most of my planners are, you know, the regular leather color, and I did want something lighter and more fun for summer. I can already tell I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to like it. As I've said, I'm not a fan of the regular patent domino. I really don't care for the shininess of it, and there are a couple other things, like I've had things transfer onto them or leave imprints on them, so I've never really used them for long in the past before I feel like they don't look pretty anymore. But this is really, really gorgeous. It's really soft. I do miss using my traveler's notebooks as my planners, so I thought this would kind of be similar to it and maybe remind me of them a little. So it has the one pocket, and it's really soft and seems like it stretches a lot. Not sure what I'm going to put in there. Just has, go ahead and take all these out. This is really cute. This has the dividers, all the paper that usually comes with it, and a clear ruler pocket. I was also looking forward to this elastic pen loop because right now the pen that I'm using doesn't fit into my Malden because it is a leather loop and doesn't have very much stretch to it. So I know I sound horrible, but I wanted to open this up on camera and I love it. I love how it feels. I love how soft it is. It actually feels like it has a lot less weight to it than this one does. This one's really heavy, and I don't know, it might be because of the pockets and everything too, or maybe just because I haven't transferred all my stuff over yet. But I'm looking forward to using it and showing you guys a setup video. Thank you again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and click the like button. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to get notifications for new videos. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.